Hi everyone, thank you for watching this video. Today's look is very simple to create, it's less time consuming, and the most important thing is you have very less blending to do. Usually when I apply makeup, the most time consuming part is doing the eye makeup. So today I had a lot of things piled up and I just wanted to get it done. So I wanted to come up with something really simple, less time consuming, and at the same time that looks a little more glamorous to wear for a party. So, I hope you like it. And you can actually add more colors and glitters to make it more vibrant and beautiful. But I just wanted to keep it very simple. So I hope you like it and I hope you enjoy watching it. If you do, please let me know if it was helpful for you. So let's get started. I'm starting off by applying a concealer from MAC, the Pro-longwear in the shade NC42. And then I'm going to apply a powder from Kat Von D. It's a setting powder to set your concealer. You can use any dark blue shade, and the one that I'm using is Deep Dive from Dream of Colors palette. And this is going to be a transition color. So as you can see, I'm swirling around and I'm going from the inner crease to the outer, and just take a little bit and apply. I just wanted just a little tiny shade, and the next shade is going to be Blue Hawaiian. This is more of copper sulfate blue, so I just took a little bit and mixed it and did the same thing, swirling, blending, and going from the inner crease to the outer. And the next shade that I'm using is Aloha. It's a black, and I'm going to dip my brush in water and going to swipe it on Aloha, and then I'm going to apply it to cover my entire eyelid. Just keep, it's a wet blending, wet brushing, whatever you call, I don't know what you call exactly. And then if you make a mess, don't worry about it. We're going to cover the entire eyelid with a blue shade. So, and then we're going to do some blending. So it's going to be all fixed. So now let's dry. It's going to take like a couple of seconds. Then I'm going to cover with this Blue Hawaiian. Just cover my entire eyelid. Usually colors like blue and green, they show out well when they have a black color underneath, and if you have a really dark black, it's gonna look very beautiful. And then I'm bringing the same blue below my lower waterline, and take a brush and blend it lightly, not much, and I added a little bit of a blue on top again. And if you have any fallouts, just use a brush and take it off. That's no big deal, right? And next is the liquid eyeliner, liner, and mascara time. And I've been using this e.l.f. forever, I guess, so I'm just gonna use that again. And the liner that I'm using is Lakme, and it's from India. It's really pigmented and I just love it. It's one of my favorites. And I'm gonna blend the pigment using the pencil brush. I always do that, and then bringing the blue down underneath. Now curling time. Don't forget to curl your lashes like the way I do sometimes. It makes a huge difference. Goodness, I don't know who found that tool, but I think that's awesome. And here is the finished look. Let's see how it looks. I hope you like it. Thank you for watching, and if you do like this video, please give a thumbs up, do subscribe, and share it with your friends and family. Take care, and don't forget to leave your comments.